Hey guys, what's going on? So I figured I would start doing the YouTube thing again and just give you a quick rundown what's going on. So you can see I'm standing in my garage. I just purchased a house a little while ago, and I was working out here for a little while doing some car stuff, and had a bit of a nice rainstorm, and I kind of had a bit of a feeling there was a bit of a water damage thing going on. There was some water coming in through the garage door and along the wall and stuff. So when I got laid off from work there, I decided to start looking into the problem. So what ended up happening is over here down along the wall, there was water damage, and maybe I think there's a bit of rodent damage in there too. And I just started tearing it apart. Found out, you know what, I got to replace the bottom, I think it's called a sill. And yeah, so it started there. I tore off all the sheathing. I dug out all the trashy wood, and I just kind of started going at it. And as you can see, I started working my way across the walls, and then I went to that wall, started tearing it apart, you know. Then I went to this wall and took all the siding and stuff off, because the way my garage built is there's 3 walls, and it's leaning up against the house. And then up in the rafters here from the previous owners, there was a lot of just miscellaneous. So I pulled that out and I started fresh. I had a friend help me with some wiring. And yeah, this is kind of where I'm at right now. So I'm hoping to have this wall done in the next little bit. I'd like to have it done hopefully by the end of the week, because I want to move all the stuff from that side of the shop over to this side of the shop so I can start working on the other wall. So my big goals are to have the shop up and working by the summer, so I'll have the ability to start working on my BMW again, because that's really why I'm doing a lot of this, because this bad boy right here, I made a couple other small videos on my channel about it, but kind of slacking. I think it's been over a year since I posted, but wait and see how things go. I want to see my garage through, and I kind of want to document it. It's all DIY. I'm not a professional carpenter. I'm not a professional electrician. Just a guy with the internet and a couple good friends to help me out that do know what they're doing. And yeah. So up here in the attic, I got attic ceiling space area. I put in 12 lights. There's one over here that doesn't have a light on it right now, just because that's where everything merges. On the front of the garage, I have, on the other side of the door, there's lights to the outside. That was there originally, that wasn't me. I'm going to try and tidy up the wiring on that a little bit. On the back side of the garage, in this corner, there's a wire that runs down for a light that was pre-existing. I've got a new fixture for this one over here, so we can have light that wasn't light coming out of there before. And then over top of here, I just installed another small one too. They're just cheapies, like $10, $15 units from Kent's in a local place called Light Up by Design. I'll show them here in a minute. Along with the 12 lights, or the 12 light receptacles, or whatever they are, I have these receptacles. There's 4 of these that are going to be to a switch on the wall. I figured I should put them up there because I had a little extra wire and some extra stuff. And I think they'd be good if I want to add any extra lighting, because you can never have enough lighting. I thought about doing those Barina T5 LEDs off Amazon. Give them a shot. Tell me what you guys think, if you had any experience with them in the past. I would like to give them a shot for lighting over on this wall here, because I'm going to have my my bench for my workbench and stuff on this side of the garage, and I'm probably going to put 1 or 2 of them along the back side of the wall, just for more light. The BMW is going to get pushed towards that wall more, so it's more in line with the door, which would give me more space on this side of the shop for working and doing activities. Give the old lady a better smoke corner too, so she has somewhere to go and smoke. Yeah. So another thing too, so I have this studded. This is ready for insulation. I have to cover this hole up with a piece of chipboard. Up in the attic here, this split. So buddy who owned the home before me tried to fix it. I just married up a new 2x4, you can see there, an 8-footer, just to properly reinforce it with a handful of screws and nails. Up in the attic, what I'm going to do with these vertical members here is I'm going to tie them all in together to run the whole length with some 2x4s and tie it back into this wall to add some rigidity to the shop. Right here above my head, I'm going to put an access up into there, and I'm going to run 2 lights up in the attic itself, just so when we go up there to do work, if there's anything to ever do, you have some light up there. I think it'd be kind of a nice little idea. Help out the electrician or insulator that someday has to go up there. Or me. Mainly me, because I care about me. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm at right now. Along with on this wall here, I end up getting a door, or 2 doors. One of them's already installed in the back here, and one of them's in the back. We got them for a pickup off Kijiji. They're free. Someone's renovating their house and put up free pickup. So the old lady kind of seen that ad, and she's like, scoop. But yeah, I don't know what else is in the shop really to go over. This line here is my heat pump. It goes from the back side of the shop. This is the wall of the home, so it goes up into there into my living room. I don't know really. Besides that, oh well, I could probably run through the outlets here. So along this wall will be one circuit. Along the back wall there will be another circuit, so we'll have 2 different circuits, so I can do work on one side and the other side. So say someone wants to go pressure wash the car or use a vacuum or whatever, they can use this side, or if they want to do some kind of small hand tool work over here with corded tools, say, and then on this side I can do the same thing. I can run tools and everything else and probably not pop a circuit. Yeah, I'm also a welder too, so I have a welder in the shop, but it runs off of 220. I have that receptacle is under here. I'm thinking about getting some more line and running it over to this side of the shop, just so it's more convenient for me to use. Yeah, it's kind of a cold day out too. I'm hoping to have this all done by next winter, so I can work out here and have no reasons not to come out here in the winter and keep working on my BMW. And just kind of push through. So really this is just an overview of my shop and stuff, and I'm going to start taking smaller videos and see what you guys like and what you want to see. But yeah, I'm just going to see how it goes. This is what I really want to get on the road here. I miss driving it. I drove it once, actually. I drove it from PEI to New Brunswick when I bought it, and then when I put it up I realized it's not in the best of shape, so I decided to go full out and fix it. So yeah, see you guys soon.